Okay, let's proceed to number 8. So 3/4, let's multiply it by 2 and 1/2 times 6. So lagay tayo ng equal sign sa left. Again, ang equal sign ay parang capital letters sa sentence. Okay, always on the left. 3/4, copy lang. This improper fraction has to be in improper form. So 2 times 2, it's 4 plus 1. So 5 over 2. And then times over 1. Okay, check if there are numbers to be simplified. So palitan natin. This time it's 6 and 4, right? 6 and 4. So 6, divide natin by 2, it's 3. 4, divide din natin by 2, it's 2. So no more. So multiply na natin. 3 times 5, it's 15. 15 times 3, it's 45. Then 2 times 2, it's 4. Divide lang natin. How many 4 are there in 45? It's 11 and then subtract lang natin. 11 times 4, it's 44. 45 minus 44. Kaya mayroong 1. If you want a solution, it will be like this. So 45, 4, 4 divided by 4, 1, 4, subtract, 0 na yan, bring down 5, 5 divided by 4, it's 1 again, 1, and then 4, subtract, 1, and then, yan, 11 and 1, 4. 11 and 1/4. Okay, the correct answer for number 8 is 11 and 1/4. Let's move to number 9. So 4 and 2/3 multiplied by 5 and 1/8. Multiply it again by 9 and 5 over 6. Let's make this into improper fraction. Let's convert. 4 times 3, 12 plus 2, 14. 3 times 8 times 5, 40 plus 1, 41 over 8. Copy lang the denominator. And 6 times 9, rather 6 times 9, it's 54 plus 5, 59. Then let's check numbers. If there are numbers to be reduced, 3 and 59, we cannot simplify 3 and 59. 59 here should be 60, di ba? Pero we cannot simplify 3 and 59. How about 41? 41, again, it is a prime number. 41 is a prime number. So we cannot simplify 3 and 41. And so with 6 and 41, let's simplify 14 and 6 or 8. Which do you like? So 14 or 8 or 14 and 6. Kahit ano po dyan ang pwede. So sige, ito na lang 8. Kasi mas malaki yung 8 than 6. So divide natin both by 2 and not 4, right? Kasi yung 14 is not a multiple of 4. So 2 natin. So 7. 14 divided by 2, it's 7. 8 divided by 2, it's 4. We have questions? Class, may question ba? Nag-simplify tayo, paliliitin natin yung number. Okay, 41, no. 6, hindi din. Wala na po. Are there numbers? Wala na. So let's proceed to multiplying the numbers left. So 7 times 41 times 2, 59. So let's multiply 41 times 7, 7, 28. 287, multiply natin by 59. 9. So 63, 6, 72 plus 6, 78, 18, 6, 7, 18, 25, 3, 43, 4, 10, 14. Is my answer correct? The same with yours? Tama ba? 16,933? Same po? Hindi. Sige po, paka-check. Ayan. 41. Ito yun ha. 7 times 41. And then the product there is multiply natin by 59. We are on number 9. Tama. Same po sa answer nyo. Ayan. Sige. So, 16,933 times natin by 3 times 4, 12 times 6. So, 12 times 6 is 72. Now, divide natin. We need to divide. 16,933. Let's divide that by 72. So 1, we cannot divide 1 by 72. Let's get 6 here. 16 divided by 72 cannot be then. Ulit, let's get 9. So 169 divided by 72. 40. 2. 4. 40. 5. 2. We cannot divide 25 by 72. We need to bring down 3. 253 divided by 72. It's 3. 3, 6, 21. 7, 4, 3. Bring down 3. Nasusundan nyo, class? Nasusundan? Nasusundan? Divide lang natin ha, manually. Manually tayo magde-divide. So, 373 divided by 72, 35, 5. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 7, it's 35 plus 1, 36. 3, 13. There. 235 and 13 over 72 is the correct answer for number 9. Yeah, why are the others naka-off yung camera? Paki-on po ang inyong cameras. Don't worry, if there are excuse letters naman, send nyo lang sa advisor and then the advisor sinisend sa GC namin, mga teachers. Kaya na-check namin yung mga students na excuse to turn ng kanilang off yung camera nila. Okay, let's now proceed to number 10. 10, it's 12 and 1/2 multiplied by 24 and 5/8 equals, so 12 times 2, it's 24 plus 1, 25 over 2 times, so 24 times natin sa 8, 16, 48 rather. 48. 32 pala, sorry class. So, okay, let's check numbers. If there are numbers na masi-simplify, is it 25 and 8, 25 or 2, 197 and 2, 197 and 8. Wala. This time, you need to multiply lahat ng numbers. So, multiply natin 197 times 25. 35. 348. 14. 4,925 over 60. Divide natin. 4,925 divided by 16. 30. 66. 56. 3. I know, it's not 6. 4. Try natin plus 24. 2. Ay, hindi. Ah, 2. Yeah, 6 na. 6 baka. 6. 6, 3, 6, 9. 9. Ah, yeah. Ito nga. Ano, 7. Parehas ba class sa inyo? 307 and 13/16? Hindi po. Ayan, multiply lang natin as is. Kasi walang nasa-simplify. 307 and 16, ay 13/16 is the correct answer for number 10. Next, let's proceed to division. Whiteboard tayo. So, invert lang natin, class. Ito yung divisor, ang ini-invert. Or nire-reciprocate. Yun yung isa pang term. So, reciprocate muna natin or invert para mag-proceed kayo sa multiplication. Okay. Then, simplify natin. This time, it's 5 and 5. Matitira na lang 4 and 3. And then, simplify natin. Although correct na itong 4/3, it's 1 and 1/3. Yan. Copy nyo na lang, class. Make sure you follow the discussion. Okay, copy nyo. Copy. Okay, ini-invert to ha. Ini-invert. You copy as is. Liitan nyo na lang kasi maliit lang yung space sa book. Maliit lang yung space sa book. Liitan nyo na lang. Pero you use pencil, not ball pen. Okay. Next, 12/14. Let's divide that by 6/7. Okay, copy nyo muna yung dividend na 12/14. Okay, and then invert natin ito. Invert. Numerator becomes the denominator and denominator becomes the numerator. Tapos, proceed to multiplication. Now, let's simplify numbers na pwedeng i-simplify. This time, it's 6 and 12. 6, both by 6. 12 divided by 6, it's 2. 6 divided by 6, it's 1. And then, 7 and 14 then. 7 divided by 7, it's 1. 14 divided by 7, it's 2. The answer is 2. So, multiply natin. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, I 1 rather I 2. So, this time, any number na parehas ang numerator at denominator is always equal to 1. Kahit 1 million siya. Let's say 1 million. Over 1 million. Basta pares lagi ang numerator to denominator, 1 pa din yan. Okay, always. Basta same ang numerator to its denominator, equal pa rin siya sa 1. Now, let's try number 3. 12 over 25. Let's divide that by 15. Copy the dividend. Hindi ang dividend or yung unang fraction ang ini-invert, yung second. Okay, this time you have to write 1 para hindi kayo malilito. So, yung 1 here becomes our numerator. And then 15 here becomes the denominator. And then proceed to multiplication. And then, copy ha, please copy. Then, check tayo ng numbers na pwedeng i-simplify. Check the numbers. This time, it's 12 and 15 by 3. Right? By 3. So, 12 divided by 3, it's 4. 15 divided by 3, it's 5. So 4 times 1, it's 4. And then let's multiply 25 by 5, it's 125. Can we simplify 4 and 25? Hindi, right? 4 and 25. Yung unang tip dyan kung ano yung paano nyo masisimplify? If masisimplify nyo ba yung number or hindi? If even, yan, masisimplify yan. Pag even and odd numbers, this time 4 and 5, 4 is an even number, 5 is an odd number, hindi. Diba? Yun yung unang-una. Kailangan even ba or even, odd ba or odd or even. So this time for number 3, the correct answer is 4 and 125.